Want to book holiday package online? Want to earn money while traveling? Access to our 1000 hotels and resorts. Allows you to share with your family and friends. So let's get started. Okay guys, you came up to here means you are really interested audience. Before I started to take you to the official website to buy Tripsaver, I want you guys to subscribe me on YouTube. Hey guys, as I promised you, we got 1000 hotels around the globe. Let's have a look over it. Okay.
Here you can here there are two type of process by which you can buy the package, either from register from here or from the official side of Qnet. We can get it very exciting offer at Qnet at discount price, so I suggest you to buy at Qnet. Okay, now search Qnet. Okay, after that let's start this Qnet e-commerce site, official site of Qnet. After clicking on that, click on the shop button. After clicking on the shop button, now you have to put an IRD. You can use my IRD here. I suggest you to use my IRD because if you make an IRD, you need to register it. For registration, you will again need an IRD. So to make an IRD, you have to message me on Telegram, from where you can register as a distributor. As of now, you can directly put my IRD and then click on the shop button. Now I'm putting my own IRD. Then select the country, whatever country. For Indians, you can select the Brunei. For the rest of the country, you can select your own country. After selecting your country, for Indians you should select Brunei. For me, I will select the Brunei right now. After selecting the country, click on the shop button. After entering into the site, you are seeing various type of products, various Qnet Tripsaver products, and for here you can buy a Qnet club membership also. For me, I will suggest you to buy a Qnet club membership. Click on any of the product. I'm using any of the product from here. You can also use any kind of product, whatever you may want to buy. You can buy various kind of product, like watches, luxury items, makeup products, and from the Qnet official site. For that you don't need any other thing. You just need my ID, from where you can buy any kind of product. As of now, you can use my ID if you want to register as an independent customer, you can message me on the Telegram. I will give you a full detail of the process in your registration. Now, after selecting on any of the product, go to add to cart button. I'm selecting this product. Okay, now I'm adding it. Okay, now click on all the cookies. Click on all the dialog box. After that, you have to fill all the details. Go to the checkouts and you need to fill all the details. You have to fill all the details, valid details, including your address. For Indians, you should fill your own details. Here, your nationality is Indian, not Brunei. Only one place where IRID is filled, where only we use Brunei. Otherwise, we will use Indian. And here you can use your customer ID as your own. Okay. Now you will fill the password. Password must be strong. For me, I will suggest you to I'm using just a simple password, but I suggest you to get a strong password here. Okay, now I'm just filling it. After filling all the details, click on the submit button. You can click on the same address bar if your permanent address and office address is same, or otherwise you can change the address. You can change both the address. Okay, after submitting this, now the final process is the payment. You can go to the payment part just after clicking it. Okay, after clicking this payment part, you have to pay with debit card or credit card, or maybe digital currency or e-card. For more such a video, like, share and subscribe our channel.